Hey, and welcome to a brand new full body Pilates class with me. You need yourself and something soft underneath you, and then we can start. Maybe you know this a problem that you think in your everyday life a lot about the past and the future. I, for example, think a lot about what happened yesterday and what are my to-dos tomorrow. So today I want to start with a technique in which we're going to focus on our senses. This can be super helpful to connect with our body, to get more present, to get the focus easily to what is super important for the Pilates routine on the one hand, but it's also super important for our everyday life. So feel invited to also use this technique in your lunch break, for example, or whenever you need to be more mindful, to be more present, because the only time in which you can be happy, in which you can receive happiness, is the present. So let's start to become present. We're gonna start today in a standing position. So open your feet shoulder width apart. Allow the arms to become heavy, so you relax your shoulders. Make your neck long, and then go ahead and close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more. Take a deep breath in and out. And then observe the sounds around you. Listen to the music. Listen to your breath. Observe if there are more sounds around you. And then allow the sounds to become quieter. Even though your eyes are closed, observe if you can see anything on your eyelids. Are there any dots or flashes of light? Is there a specific taste on your tongue? What do you feel on your skin? Where are clothes on your skin? Are your feet naked? Is it warm? Is it cold? When you observe your mind drifting away in your Pilates routine, feel free to bring your focus back on your senses. And then when you're ready, open up your eyes again and let's start with the movement. So with the next inhale, you tap forward with the left foot. And with the exhale, you tap forward with the right foot. Inhale, feel the ground with your big toe. And exhale. Breathe in. And with each exhale, activate your powerhouse more and more, which means you pull the navel in towards the spine. You close your rib arch as you start to breathe into your rib cage. And you pull that imaginary corset even tighter with each exhale. So we're gonna exhale, tap with the right. Inhale, tap with the left. And when you got that, we're gonna add a little movement. We're gonna make the movement a little bit bigger, which means we're gonna lift the knee up. So breathe in, lift the left knee. Breathe out, lift the right. So we're gonna include a nice warm-up for your hips, for your knees, And it's also a little balance challenge, which means we're gonna wake up the deep core. Let's add the upper body as well. So we're gonna inhale, externally rotate the arms, thumbs looking back. And as you exhale, roll them forwards and inwards. So we're gonna lengthen, open up the chest. And as you exhale, we're gonna start to round the spine. Allow the movement to become bigger. Inhale. And try to grab your elbows round your spine. Exhale. Breathe in, look up to the sky, and breathe out, look to your belly button. Things get shaky, that's fine, keep going. Good job, let's go, 2 more. Breathe in, open up your heart center. Breathe out, pull the shoulder blades apart to open up your back a little bit more. Next time, when your right knee is in the air, keep the knee in the air. And stretch the leg forwards, open up your shoulders, your chest, round and bend the knee. Exhale. And inhale, lengthen. Keep going, 4 more like this. Inhale, grow an inch taller. Exhale, round yourself. Nice, beautiful. Synchronize movement and breath. Inhale, grow. And exhale, allow the back muscles to become soft. This is your last. Breathe in. And round your spine, stretch your back muscles. And then come up, ground the right foot, lift the left knee. And we're gonna switch to the other side. So exhale, round. Stretch and lengthen, inhale. Rotate the arms outwards as you inhale. As you exhale, grab the elbows. 4 more like this. Breathe in and breathe out. Whew. Look up to the sky. Lift your collarbone and exhale, round. Try to look to your belly button. Breathe in and breathe out. Zip everything in and up. Good. Get strong from the inside out. Last one. Exhale. Grab the elbows, round your spine. Amazing. And then come up and ground your foot. Nice job. From here, tap to the side. Breathe in and breathe out, right foot. Breathe in left and breathe out the right one. Point the foot, so bring tension into all 5 toes and activate your calf muscle here. Imagine your arms are super heavy and your arms are pulling you down to the side. So we're gonna exhale and inhale to the other side. I also love the image to wear super heavy earrings. So melt deeper into your lateral flexion, into your side bend to open up the side of your body, to wake up your spine here from side to side. Let's go for a bigger motion. So we're gonna add the upper arm, bring him next to your ear and switch to the other side. So this is also a nice impact for your fascia. So we create length. We are creating flexibility here. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Next time when you tap to the left, hold it here. And then breathe out, hands together, look down to the ground. Breathe in, open the left arm to the sky and look up to the sky. Breathe out, draw the navel in towards the spine. So we prepare for another balance challenge. So keep the right knee softly bent and active. And now lift the left leg. Breathe in, look up to the sky. Breathe out, tap down with your big toe onto the ground. Look down. And breathe in, look up. Nice job. Let's go 3 more of these. So we have a nice spinal rotation here. This is a really good massage for your organs, intervertebral disc, so it's like a detox exercise. Good. Woo. Give me 1 more. Lengthen, reach. And then release, exhale, and switch over to the other side. So lengthen here. Upper hand to the lower hand. Exhale, look down to the ground. Open up. And exhale, bring the hands together. All right, as you can see, I keep my left leg slightly bent. And then whenever you're ready, inhale, rise up the right leg. Breathe out, tap down with your big toe, enjoy the stability coming from the ground. Breathe in. And breathe out. But you can build up your own stability. You don't need the floor. You just need the power from your powerhouse. So keep that imaginary corset tight, keep the abs active. And if you fall out of the position, don't worry, that's okay. Just come back stronger, that's fine. Last one, lengthen and reach. And then tap down, release, and come back to center. With the next inhale, we're gonna tap back with the left. And we're gonna tap back with the right, exhale. And when you observe yourself or your mind drifting away and thoughts are coming, that's totally normal. Then think about or focus here on your senses again. So feel the skin getting warmer probably. Hear your breath. You can really hear that sound, especially when you use that Pilates technique. So you breathe in through the nose, tap back with the left, and breathe out through pursed lips, tap back with the right. So it's like you want to blow out an imaginary birthday candle, for example. All right, let's progress. Breathe in and step back, breathe out. I slightly turn to the side so you can better see what's happening. Left foot tap back, right foot stepping back. Yes, breathe in, tap back, lengthen, keep the core engaged. Very important for the next exercise. Breathe in and breathe out. Give me 2 more of these before we progress. So it's a big step to the back, so you can keep your front knee above the ankle. Keep that alignment. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's add a back leg lift with the left. Belly button in and up. So you lift the leg with the glute and not the back. And exhale. Amazing. Lift, inhale. Think more in length than in height. And breathe in. Relaxing the shoulders here. All right, team, let's go. 2 more here. Breathe in. And breathe out. And then keep the left leg in the air. Breathe in. And bend the supporting leg, the right leg. Breathe out. Grow and stretch. Breathe in. And breathe out, bend. Now there are some arms. Left arm next to your ear. Breathe in. Exhale, switch like a scissor. Breathe in, lift and stretch. Breathe out, bend and switch. Nice work. 4 more to go. Breathe in and breathe out. Work in full range of motion. Try to make the arm movements as big as you can, especially to the back, so you have a nice chest opening here. Whew, oh yes. I can already feel the burn. Breathe in and then stay bent. Breathe out, but don't collapse into your hip. Keep lifting with the help of the sides of your body. So use that core to grow, to lengthen your upper body. Now from here, we're gonna bend, exhale, and stretch, point, inhale. All right, bend and flex. Keep the left thigh behind the right thigh. If you want more, double leg kick. Breathe in, lengthen. 2 kicks with the heels towards the butt cheek. Lengthen the arms, shoulders low. 4 more of these. Breathe in. Press the right heel into the floor. Yes, let's grow. 2 more. The rest is steady and calm. Last one. Breathe in, lengthen. 1 more. And then step it in. Check it out for a moment. Good job. Take a deep breath in. Listen to the sound as you exhale. And then tap back with the right. Here we go. Breathe in. And breathe out, tap back with the left. So we're gonna switch to the other side now. Ready? Breathe in, right foot is tapping. And breathe out, left foot is tapping. Let's arrive here. All right. What I never do is observing what taste is on my tongue when I don't eat. So this is nice, I think, to get a new perspective, to really stay present. For me, it's nice to have something new, so I get mindful easily. All right, from here, let's step back. So we're gonna breathe in, right foot. Breathe out, step, left foot. Breathe in, right. And breathe out, step. Keep going, breathe in. And breathe out, left. Make the step back. We're gonna go for 4 more here. You have time to think about your corset again. The corset is super important to protect your lumbar spine. 2 more, breathe in, lengthen. Open up through the right hip and sink down into the power of your quads. All right, are you ready to progress? Let's lift the right leg up. Breathe in, lift. Breathe out, step. Do it with control. Think about the Pilates principles. We work only with muscle power, not with swinging. We work with the breathing, so maybe I'm too fast for you. Slow it down. Focus on your senses. When you think things get boring, then think about your senses again. All right, let's go. 2 more. And with the next round, keep the right leg in the air. Breathe in. Bend the left leg, the supporting leg. Breathe out. Stretch and grow. Breathe in. Bend and breathe out. Good. Ready for those arms? So, left arm next to your ear. Breathe in, stretch. And breathe out, switch like a scissor here. Breathe in, lift. And breathe out, ground yourself. Whew, 4 more to go. Three more. Make sure you're not collapsing into your hip. So try to lift up, try to lengthen, press the left heel into the ground. Here's your last one. Breathe in, and then stay bent, breathe out. Breathe in, belly button in, prepare, and breathe out, bend and flex. This is option number 1, right? Breathe in, point and extend. You can stick to it. Breathe out. Maybe things are shaky today, then stay here. If you're very stable and you want more, double leg kick. Breathe in. Breathe out, kick. Don't forget your arms, lengthen, shoulders low. Pull the arms back. Nice chest opening. 3 more. Breathe in. Enjoy the warmth, the heat in your muscles. Last one. And then lengthen one more time and relax. Shake it out. Circle your shoulders, wiggle that booty, shake out your legs, whatever you need. Round your spine. This is also helpful to relax your back. And then drink a sip of water. Nice job. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, then let's take it to the next level together. Join our online studio and be part of our weekly live streams via Zoom. Get a real-time feedback on your exercises and connect with a community of amazing women. So let's create a workout routine that keeps you committed and motivated. Or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.